Thank you very much for sponsoring this attractive competition. Green Valley Academy is going to participate. They are going to deliver their presentations. Slampur Uchcho Bidyalay, তোমরা প্রস্তুত থাকবে এরপর। Green Valley Academy, Pronesh Singh from class 7, Shubhodip Mondol from class 7. Are you ready? Both are ready? Your time, ready? Your time starts now.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will be talking about the topic solid waste management. So, and to start with, we will know what is solid waste management. Solid waste management is the process of collecting, handling, treating, and disposing of solid waste in a way that protects human health and the environment. Next slide. So, we will now know the effects of solid waste. The effects of solid waste are environmental pollution. The solid waste also results in the polluting of land, air and water. Number 2 is the health problems. The land pollution, air pollution, water pollution also results in the health problems such as cholera, typhoid and etc. Third is the climate change. The solid waste that is disposed on the ground also releases methane gas that is harmful for our atmosphere. Next slide please. So now we will know the reasons of formation of solid waste. First is the rapid population growth. Second is the urbanization and industrialization. Third is the improper waste disposal. Fourth is the excessive use of plastic. Fifth is the lack of recycling and waste management system. Sixth is consumerism and changing lifestyles. It means that first, the rapid population growth. India has a large population, and therefore there is a lot of solid waste that is formed. Next slide, please. So the advantages of solid waste. So now I would like to invite my friend Shubhodip Mondol to take over this slide.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now I would be explaining the advantages of solid waste management. Reduces pollution. So as we have discussed earlier that solid waste causes pollution, so the proper maintaining of solid waste reduces the pollution. Number 2, protects health. The maintaining of solid waste protects the environment by reducing the spreading of diseases such as typhoid, cholera, malaria, etc. Saves resources. The recycling of plastic, etc. reduces the cutting of trees and manufacturing. Therefore, saves resources and energy. Number 4, protects the wildlife. The proper maintaining of solid waste prevents animals from getting trapped or eating plastic. Number 5, controls climate change. The proper maintaining of solid waste reduces the emission of greenhouse gases and therefore reduces the global warming. So for the next slide, I would like to invite my friend Pranesh to take over. So
now we are moving to the last slide of our presentation. So far we have discussed about what is solid waste management, the effects and what are the advantages. Now we will be discussing the maintaining solid waste properly, how to maintain it. First is the segregation at source. The waste should be divided into 3 parts. One is recyclable, non-biodegradable and biodegradable, which will eventually help in the proper waste management. Number 2 is the reduce and reuse materials. We should reduce the use of plastics, which will benefit our environment. Number 3 is the recycling and composting. Recyclable items like glass, wood should be sent for recycling, and the food and the garden waste should be sent for composting into manure. Fourth, and the last point of this presentation is proper collection and disposal. Waste should be collected properly from all homes, schools and workplaces, and it should be transported in a safe place and treated with using safe methods to prevent pollution and also the air pollution. Thank you. Thank you everyone. This is the end of the slide.
Thank you. Now it's question session.
কেউ ভিডিওগ্রাফি করছে না মনীষ, একটু এগুলোকে ভিডিওগ্রাফি হচ্ছে না? ওই তো করছো, দেখো এগুলো আমাকে দিও একটু।
খুব ভালো হয়েছে, তোমাদের খুব ভালো প্রেজেন্টেশন হয়েছে। তা একটা প্রশ্ন বলছি, যেটা হচ্ছে
কাগজে নাম লেখো, এই নাও পেপার নাও।
হোয়াট ইজ দ্য এফেক্ট অফ
একটা শীট নাও,
এয়ার পলিউশন?
নাম, পজিশন।
Sir, air pollution may causes asthma, which is actually harmful for our health. And the air pollution also causes smoke, and which is also harmful to our lungs also. As we can see in Delhi, there is a lot of air pollution, and in Delhi there's a lot of people who have suffered from this asthma and lung disease also.
গুড।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
আচ্ছা, থ্যাংক ইউ। পরবর্তী পার্টিসিপেন্টের কাছে যাওয়ার আগে একটা ঘোষণা, আমাদের